In Aladit 2020.1, many features have been introduced to make using Tanner Digital Implementer easier, quicker, and highly flexible. Users are only clicks away from configuring their projects before getting a fully synthesized, place and routed block ready to use within their design. TDI is integrated within Tanner Aladit and is powered by Mentor's Oasis Synthesis and Nitro Place and Route engines. In this example, Tanner Digital Implementer TDI version 2020.1 is used to create a synthesized, place and routed block of an 8-bit analog to digital converter circuit used within a mixed signal design. This is Aladit 2020.1, the layout editor, and the current layout is shown here. The general floor plan of the layout is as indicated. To begin the demo, we will firstly open the design cell where the result of the ADC control block will be constructed. In this example, the pins and ports of the block and the layout have been drawn. This offers a precise location for the pins during the TDI process. Various other options to achieve this goal will be shown shortly in terms of floor planning. Aladit controls the process based on settings from this dialog. The dialog houses tabs responsible for the different settings to drive the process, such as timing, floor planning, and power settings. The user can save and reuse settings for their convenience. The space in the middle is reserved to the settings specific to the selected stage. The Run File tab specifies the working directory in which results are stored. Custom scripts to Nitro and Oasis offer full flexibility and can use existing reference flows in control. If an error occurs in one of these options, the dialog will show a question mark next to the stage. For example, here it is indicating that the path to the Nitro custom script is missing. The second tab allows the user to select the LEF, Liberty, and Process Technology files. The LEF files contain technology and standard cell descriptions, while Liberty and Process Tech files contain timing and parasitic information. In the demonstration, files for a generic silicon process are used. Real-life designs use files provided by the Silicon Foundry for a specific process. TDI is optimized for analog specialty technology nodes at 28 nanometer and above. The tool supports multi-corner multi-mode analysis. Foundry-provided files define the different corner and mode conditions of operation. On the next tab, the user defines the netlist and run control settings. Synthesis and place and route can be run individually or as a combined flow. Multiple behavioral netlists can be chosen for your project for synthesis. The user can set the destination of the synthesized netlist, and control scan chains insertion by Oasis. Next, the user can specify names for top module power and ground nets. Note that there is also the capability to support UPF commands for special power configuration requirements. For timing settings, the designer can use the Define Clocks options or use an existing SDC file, which is a new feature in 2020.1. Specifying the SDC files allows the user to create different modes and select multiple files that correspond to each operating condition as shown here. In the floor plan settings, the user can specify this based on different modes as shown. The specification of the aspect ratio and utilization is one of the new features in this release, where the user can specify the aspect ratio with respect to die height and utilization percentage, and let the tools decide the best configuration. The user can also rely on an existing def file or specify the options to set the dimensions of a box configuration. In this example, we are exporting from the layout in order to get precise port locations. For power planning, TDI allows specification of a surround arrangement, either as a ring or a stripe configuration. Power settings can also be defined with a def file or directly taken from the layout in the background. Once the configurations have been made, the Oasis and Nitro engines perform synthesis and place and route operations. On operation, the resulting digital block can be within the overall design.